Hi, my name is Chanel Temple, the global makeup artist for Hourglass Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to use our ambient lighting edit unlocked. One of the great things about the unlocked palette is how versatile it is, and you can use it in so many different ways depending on what suits your skin tone best. I'm going to show you the ways that I like to use it. So as you can see, I have my foundation on and I've set with a little bit of our Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Now I'm gonna go in with the unlocked palette. Using my Ambient Edit brush, I'm gonna take Soft Light and I'm just gonna lightly dust this all over the skin. I know it's sometimes kind of hard to see on camera with these powders, but in person, it does something so magical to the complexion. So now I'm gonna take the middle shade, Filtered Light, and I'm gonna use this to just lightly contour in the hollows of my cheeks. This is also a great finishing powder for someone with more of a medium complexion. So now I'm going to take Golden Bronze Light, and this is what I'm gonna use to just add a little bit more warmth to my skin. This is the deepest shade in the palette, so this works really pretty for a deep complexion to put all over the face. The blush shades in this palette are so flattering, and personally, I love having two options in a palette. It's great for travel, and then you have something for whatever look you're going for. Today, I'm actually gonna be mixing both the shades. So you have Nude Glow, and then you have Mood Flush. I'm gonna mix them together, just give a little bit of blend of both shades, and I'm gonna go right on the apple. So again, mixing the two. But if you're someone who likes a little bit more of a subtle blush, you can actually diffuse it a bit by mixing it with any of the finishing powders on the top. Now for my favorite part of any makeup application, highlighting. Last year, our Ambient Metallic Strobe palette got so much love that we decided to put in a brand new shade with the same formula, Champagne Strobe Light. So I'm gonna take quite a bit, I love highlight, and I'm just gonna apply right at the top of the cheeks, then do a little bit down the center of the nose. All right, so now I'm gonna take my fingers, do a little bit over the Cupid's bow, and then just a little in the corner of my eye. Next, I'm gonna take the unlocked palette to create an eye look. What's amazing is it's your all-in-one. It's really the only palette you need to create a full face. I'm gonna be taking my number 3 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Nude Glow. I'm gonna take this all over the lid. There's a really pretty kind of peachy tone to it. Next, I'm gonna take Filtered Light and just soften out the edges. With the same brush, now I'm gonna go in with Golden Bronze Light. Just give a little more depth in the outer corner. And then with my finger, going back in with Champagne Strobe Light, just under my brow bone. Really helps pop the arch. The versatility of this palette is amazing, and I know you guys are gonna love it just as much as I do.